Today's recipe is a traditional Karnataka favorite, Bassaru, a wholesome and flavorful dish made by cooking all the sprouted grams and vegetables together. Sprouts, മുളക്കെ in Kannada, ധാന്യങ്ങൾ മുളക്കിയത് in Malayalam. Sprouts are cooked and ready. We will now separate the sprouts and keep the cooked water aside. For the masala, we will fry 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 peppercorns, 1 small onion, a few red chilli flakes, garlic, and just 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Let's fry these ingredients by one with little oil. Let's add the onion and fry for a little while. Then we will add the tomatoes. 1 tomato I have used for this curry. Then the grated coconut. We will fry all this for a little while. Now I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooked sprouts. The gas is switched off already. I'm just adding it to the masala so that we will grind everything together well. Masala is ground well now. Now I'm adding small piece of tamarind to it. Now we will add the freshly ground masala to the sprouts cooked water, allowing it to absorb all the aroma and richness and let all the flavors come together. As you can see, the consistency is quite thin, so I'm adding little bit of turmeric and salt to it. It has come to a full boil now, so it's the perfect time to prepare the seasoning for our Bassaru. Now we will season the Saaru with mustard seeds, red chilli, curry leaves and a garlic pod, and then pour the seasoning over the curry. Now for the Hurlikai Palya, the cooked sprouts, I am adding seasoning, adding urad dal, mustard seeds, onions and curry leaves. Then we will add the finely chopped cabbage, little bit of turmeric, little salt to taste, a few green chilies, Then goes in the cooked sprouts and finally 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Finally adding coconut. So Bassaru and the sprouts palya is ready. Come quickly before the aroma escapes. We will plate the food so that the rice absorbs all the flavors from the bassaru and enjoy it along with the healthy, delicious palya.